Hello and welcome to today's Bechtel tip of the day. Behind me is the ST20 lathe and in front of me is a new tool for you guys, for members and TAs of the metal shop. So here the lathe jaw presetter is made into two components. You have the body and the disc. The body is meant simply to keep you concentric to the spindle, while the disc is actually representing your stock size so that you can adjust your jaws to the right tooth count. So first you're going to want to start off with measuring your stock size. Once you've measured your stock size, what you're going to do is you're going to find the corresponding disc that has the same stock size diameter on it. But what you want to keep an eye out for is that the stock size will not be exactly same. It's going to be a little bit larger to account for the travel of the jaws. Loosen up your jaws individually, and then you're going to want to make sure that you finger tight at least one bolt so you can easily adjust them later. Insert the body of the lathe jaw presetter into the bore, and you're going to make sure that you just get deep enough so that there's no wiggle on the actual part. There's good. Attach the disc onto the body using the dowel pin. Loosen up your bolts and then lower down the jaw onto the disc, and then re-finger tighten. Take out the actual lathe jaw presetter by loosening a jaw and then moving it only one tooth up. And then just gently pulling this out and then pulling the whole body out. Check to see that the jaw is not sticking past its point here, and you want to make sure that you've counted all the right numbers. So on each one of these jaws there should be 6 teeth, and the jaw should match up with its number. So jaw 1 goes with slot 1, 6 teeth. Jaw 3 goes with slot 3, 6 teeth, and jaw 2 goes with slot 2 and 6 teeth. Tighten all the screws in each hole that you have to make sure that's fully locked in. Insert your stock and clamp onto it. You must ensure that the clamp indicator is in the correct range within the box. You must ensure that the pressure that we're running at is at 300. If you want to have a softer material, you can lower it, but you always want to make sure after reservation you bring it back up to 300. Thank you for letting us be a part of your success, and make sure to share this with a fellow peer mentor. And thanks for watching today's Bechtel tip of the day.